Rolling from the sky, about to hit me. Don't know I'm gonna die in that line now. You know it's right now. That line now. You know it's right now. Oh, darling, we're coming down on me. You're like bounty and get oh, yes, indeed. Just trying to break peace. Oh, yes, indeed. Open up inside. I got no way I'm in that line. Scrolling from the sky, about to let it hit me. Oh, going I'm in that line now. You know it's right now. It's hot on my heels, in that line now. You know it's right now. Yeah, the way that it feels me on down the line now. Rolling from the sky, if you let it hit you. You know you're going down and down the line now. You know it's right now. In that line now. You know it's right now. The Rasta man, he had a dream. He hung his lead on the bank of the stream. He was smoking a cigarette, turned into a cigar. Somebody was playing a song on the guitar. Somebody kept to me, it's really dead. New world was coming, the old world was dead. He got to wake up, but he was too stoned. With the dogs out there, he was smoking alone. He woke up screaming, but he was still dreaming. He thought he was being a demon. Didn't know when he walked on the show. It turned into quicksand, and he fell through the floor. He flipped over backwards, sideways, and turned. He was down in his head, trying not to get burned. Rasta, he's going on. Rasta, don't you get him on his own? His eyes were shut, he wasn't snoring. When the storm blew in, he started worrying. It was then he woke it to the sound of thunder. He started to think, he started to wonder. He wondered why he felt so high. He was high as a kite, and his mouth was dry. He couldn't believe he was awake. He thought everything was fake. He was unable with his eyes and looked around. At the same time, the alarm began to sound. When he fell asleep, he was too tired. He forgot he was smoking. He started a fire. The Rastaman, he's going marijuana blunts. The Rastaman, won't you get on Mona Jones?